Ladies and gentlemen, it's me again, Andre John, and welcome to Play Drums, the easy way. So we continue with some more reggae, all right? And for this one, we're going to be playing some 16 beats on the hi-hat, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a, all right? We're going to do some more improvement on the bass drum, okay? Very simple beats. Want you to take your time, and keep on trying until, you get it. Keep on practicing. And as you keep on practicing, you will become better and better. There's a saying that practice makes perfect, all right? But I want you to keep on practicing. It's the only way, that you can actually excel. I remember back in the days when I started learning to play drums, it was, of course, in a church. And so I used to go early before the meeting and sometimes stay after the meeting and just keep on practicing. Sometimes when I'm at home, I'll get a hardcover notebook or two, and I will just be practicing on those, books. And I kept being consistent. I kept being diligent. And at the end of the day, what happened? A door came and opened for me. Someone came from Jamaica. They came to Trinidad, where I'm from, saw me playing drums in church, and of course, they invited me to Jamaica. And from there, I was able to travel to over 20 countries of the world and playing drums. And I've been to several places. I've been to the UK. I played drums in the old Wembley Stadium. I've played drums in New Jersey at concerts. I mean, so many different places, but the thing that I'm getting at is you have to practice. You have to be diligent. You have to be consistent. And as you continue that, your gift will start to make room for you, and it will start to bring you before great men and women. Okay, so we're going to be looking at continuing with reggae. Right? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I'm playing a little faster on the hi-hat. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. So this is the foundation for this one also. And we're going to improvise on the snare drum. Same way like how we did with the one drop. So as we continue this beat, now we're gonna improvise on the bass drum, playing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Slow. more time. All right. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining.